Tesla has added Model 3 snow chains to its online store in the nick of time for winter. The combination steel chains for Model 3 are being created by ostensibly a standout amongst the most famed chain producers on the planet, Austria-based Pewag. Tesla says in its depiction for the $115 Model 3 frill that they're endorsed for use on vehicles with the standard haggles 19, haggles/40 R19 tires. Tesla Model 3 is offered in a standard 18 air wheel that uses a center point top, supposed to give up to a 10% expansion in go, or discretionary 19 game wheel for $1,500. The organization additionally takes note of that the Pewag Servo RS77 snow chains for Model 3 are affirmed for use on the rendition of the vehicle with race-wheel drive, single-engine. Tesla is relied upon to deliver an execution variation of the Model 3 with double engines in the second 50% of 2018. The Servo RS77 offers the solace of stationary mounting and high unwavering quality under all conditions, a snow chain that will particularly fulfill visit drivers. With square connections and askew example, these simple-to-introduce, self-tensioning, compound steel chains offer predominant footing and a smooth ride. Peruses the portrayal on Tesla's online store for Model 3. Like Tesla's snow chain framework for Model S, the Pewag framework is relied upon to be less demanding to introduce than customary chains on account of its self-tensioning plan. Standard chains commonly require a driver to pull and fit chains superbly around a tire get-together, before pulling it together for a cozy fitment. The establishment of a Pewag framework, then again, utilizes a lock and speedy discharge component that makes for a less demanding establishment. Much the same as pulling a drawstring for a sack, Model 3 snow chains can be secured by pulling the last detail of chain through the self-tensioning instrument.